Welcome to A La Carte Cooking Happy Hour. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We love that you guys are here. Last week we made a boozy Arnold Palmer. We featured Deep Eddy sweet tea vodka. We really like Deep Eddy stuff. You know, I was browsing the back of I was refreshing myself with, is that even a term? I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. I was reading the back of the label, and it was sharing with us that Deep Eddy is the oldest spring-fed swimming pool in Texas, in the heart of Austin. Have you guys been to Austin? If you haven't, it's pretty darn cool. The topography is really pretty, and the waters are amazing. So we decided that this week we were going to continue the Deep Eddy vodka journey, and we're going to do a bit of a riff on the Arnold Palmer, because we're not going to use the sweet tea one, but we're going to use a peach vodka and the homemade lemonade. Now, if you have a Vitamix and you want to make your own homemade lemonade, click the button. I believe it's going to be up here, or it's up here. It's one of the sides that will link you to that video. We made homemade lemonade, super easy. It is literally lemons, sugar, water, and ice. So 4 easy, super easy ingredients. Sugar-free, fat-free ice is what I was going for. Yes, that's what Grant would always say. Anyway, let's get started with our beverage. No, one thing I do want to say, on the Deep Eddy peach vodka, it is made with peach juice, and the instructions that they give you when you're making the peach lemonade is to use a tonic or sparkling water. Now, I've kind of been on this kick of the mango bubbly, so I thought, why not mix peach and mango together? Kind of sounds great to me. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So let's get started. We're gonna build layers in here. So we're gonna fill up with our ice first. That looks good. Okay, we're gonna do very similar to the Arnold Palmer, where we did 4 ounces of the lemonade. We're gonna do 4 ounces of lemonade before we get to our peach vodka. So here's 1, 2, woo, that's full. 3, and we'll just pour the rest of that in. Okay, there is that. And then our peach vodka. Deep Eddy distills their vodka 10 times. Kind of impressive. And here's 2. Great. And then we're going to top it with our mango bubbly. There we go. Okay, so I want to garnish this, because I want to garnish. You know what would be really kind of cool is if you garnished with like a dried mango. That would be kind of fun. I have lemon on hand, so we're going to use lemon. Here we go. Garnish with our lemon. And I want to give this just a little bit of a stir. Okay, let's try. Golly, is that good. Wow. It's peach lemonade for sure. You don't really get, this is why they say to use soda water. You don't really get any of the mango bubbly. You really get the peach, which is, it should be the star of the beverage. The lemon gives it a tartness, but not overly tart. Now, if you want this sweeter, my suggestion would be to either A, use simple syrup if you have not made really sweet lemonade, or B, bump up the sugar level on your lemonade. When we did the lemonade, we only used a tablespoon of sugar, which sounds like a lot, but lemons are tart. So I would bump that up to, if you're mixing in a cocktail like this and you want it to be a little bit sweeter, because this is definitely a little bit more on the tart side, then I would bump that up to 2 tablespoons of sugar in your lemonade when you make your homemade lemonade. But that'll be in the tips of the lemonade. But this is delightful. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We are here every Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time for our a la carte cooking happy hour. We love doing this with you guys. It's a lot of fun. I know we do have some requests from viewers for us to do a grilling session out on the Traeger, so we're still working on that. That'll be coming in the next few episodes, or I shouldn't say that, we're working on it. I'm not sure where it's going to fit into the queue just yet, but it's coming. So yes, share the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you're not currently a subscriber, and we will see you next Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. Same channel, same place, and we'll see you then. Thanks so much.